Hi, I'm Caribbean Andy. Today we're going to make a cocktail. Today's drink is called a Haystack. It was created in 2017 by a UK bartender named John Barraclaw. He describes it as a yellow version of a paper plane. Honestly, I don't see any need to compare it to anything else. It's its own drink, you know? I stumbled upon this recipe a couple of years ago because I'm a big believer in a bar. You shouldn't have products that you're not using. And I had apricot liqueur that I wasn't using at all. And I had this Luxardo Bitter, which is delicious. This is my preferred Gentian Liqueur. It's great for white Negronis. But I was only using this in one cocktail on the menu. So stumbled across the Haystack. Didn't end up using the recipe, but I like it. And that's what we're going to make right now. So it's also not equal parts like a paper plane. So really just an altogether different drink. 1 ounce of bourbon is the base spirit. And then we will do 1 ounce of our Luxardo Bitter Bianco. 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Oh, my lemon doesn't fit in here. Half ounce of lemon. And 1/2 ounce of apricot liqueur. We'll throw a couple cubes in our glass. Of course, double strain. And no garnish on this one, which I love. Don't worry about it. The maid will get it. This smells great. Apricot liqueur is delicious when used sparingly. This is a great example. Plays nicely with the bitter. And the bourbon, this is a great cocktail for people who are afraid of brown liquor. So refreshing. Great for springtime. Feel like I'm on the farm. Try a Haystack. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for new cocktail videos every week. Follow me on Instagram at Caribbean Andy. That's me. And try this drink. I'm going to have the whole thing right now. It's light.